Hello dear children, good morning. Children, today I am going to start with the lesson 5, the King's Wish. The King's Wish. All of you open page number 55 in your textbooks. Lesson 5, the King's Wish. Before going to start the lesson, let us see the warm-up part, children. Look at the two pictures given below. So here they have given two pictures. Which of the two activities would you like to do? So here this is the activity 1 and activity 2. So which of the two activities would you like to do, children? Do you think it will become boring if you continue to do the same thing for a long time? Discuss and give reason for your answer, okay? I'm waiting for your answer through WhatsApp. See here. Read this play about three clever brothers and how they pass a test with their wit. Wit means keen intelligence. So, this is a play about three clever brothers, and those three clever brothers have passed a test with their intelligence. In this play, we can see the characters narrator 1, narrator 2, King of Tam, Son 1, Son 2, Son 3, King's Men. Okay? See the play, children. Narrator 1. The King of Tam was a very good king. So, the King of Tam is very good. He was a good man. All day and every day he rode around Tam to see that all were well and happy. Rode means usually the kings used to ride their horses to roam around the town. So every day this King of Tam used to ride and he looked at the Tam that all were well and happy. Narrator 2. One day the king saw a man with some fish. The king said, "Oh, it must be fun to fish. How I wish I had time to fish." To fish means to catch fish, fishing, okay? So one day the king saw a man with some fish. We can see here the king saw a man sitting here and fishing, right? So the king saw a man with some fish. And the king said, "It must be fun to fish. How I wish I had time to fish." So here the king has no time to fish. Narrator 1. The three sons of the king heard his wish. So, what was the wish of the king? He wants to fish. So, the three sons of the king heard his wish. Son 1 heard it, Son 2 heard it, and Son 3 heard it too. Narrator 2. That night the three sons went to see their father the king. So the three sons came to their father to see their father. Who is their father? The King of Tam, right? Son 1. Father, we heard your wish. We want you to have time to fish. Go and fish. We will do your work. Here Son 1 is asking his father, Dad, we want you to have time to fish. So go and fish. We will do your work. He is asking that he will do his work. King, why? You are just boys. But maybe you could do a king's work. Let's find out. I will give you a test. The king test. Come with me. I will take you to the king's test room. So the king is replying, "See children, you are just boys, but maybe you could do my work. So let me find out you can do it or not. I will give you a test, the king test. So come with me. I will take you to the king's test room." So see, this is the king's test room. Narrator 1. Now the three sons were in the king's test room. They looked all around. The king closed the door and called to them from outside. So The king took his 3 sons to the king's test room. The 3 children looked all around. The king closed the door and he came outside. King, I have shut this door. This is the test. You must not open this door, but you must get out of the room. Can you pass the test? Here the king is saying to his sons, I have shut this door, children, but this is the test for you. You must not open this door, but you should come out of the room. So, can you pass the test? Here narrated too. Could they do it? They saw there was just one door. The king had said they could not open that door. Then how could they get out? So narrator 2 is saying, could the 3 children do this task? They said that there was just one door and the king is saying that they should not open the door. Then how could they get out of the room? Son 2, we will have to find some other way. Son 2 looks up at a high window on the wall and points to it. Look, maybe we can get out that way. Let's try. So here son 2 has looked up at a high window on the wall and he points to it and he is finding some other way to come out of the room without opening the door. Narrator 1. Son 3 got up on top of son 2. Here he is son 2. In the picture we can see children, he is son 2 and son 3 got up on top of son 2 and son 1 got up on top of son 3. Now son 1 could see out. He could see out. Even he is seeing through window, right? So son 1, we can't get out this way. We are all too big. We will have to find another way. Here son 1 is saying that we cannot go through this window because we all are too big. So we have to find another way to get out of the room. Narrator 2. But could they find another way out? Son 2 and son 3 looked way down low. All they found was a hole. It was just a little mouse hole. So son 2 and son 3 looked way down low and they have found a hole. What is that hole? That hole is just a little mouse hole. Son 3, look, I find something. I found some red ink. So here he found some red ink. This is red ink, right? Maybe we can get out with this. This ink will help us to get out. We can do the king test now. The king's man will look in here. He will see us. So here the son 3 is doing something with this red ink and he is going to begin the test, king test. So that the king's men will look at them and they will see them. Narrative 1. Soon the king's man did look in the king's test room. So the king's man looked into the king's test room. The king's man, open the door, open the door. The king's sons are in there. I see that they are sick. Get the king, quick, hurry. So this king's man was saying to open the door. Something happened to the king's sons. They are looking sick. So get the king, quick, hurry. Narrator 2. The men opened the door. They ran into the king's test room. See, this is the king's test room. King's test room and saw the king's son. The sons had red spots all over them. They certainly looked very sick. So we can see the red spots on their faces here, right? So the men opened the door and they ran into the king's test room and they saw something was happened to the king's son, that they have identified red spots all over their faces. They certainly looked very sick. Narrator 1. The king saw that his sons were out of the room. He saw that the spots were just red ink. So here the king came and he saw his sons. They came out of the room and the king saw that the spots were just redding. He noticed that the spots on their faces were just redding. Here king is saying, "You did it. You got out of the room and you did not open the door. My men did. You are just boys, but you can do a king's work. So I name you all kings." So he is saying, children, you came out of the room without opening the door. So you are my children. So you can do my work. So I am naming you all kings. Narrative 2. Then the king said goodbye to his sons. King, thank you. You gave me my wish. Now I can go away. Now I can fish. Now the king said goodbye to his sons and he went for fishing. Okay, this is all about the lesson, the king's wish. So children, all of you once go through the video 2 to 3 times and read, understand the lesson carefully, and if you have any doubts you can ask me, children. Okay, bye children, thank you.